Hello guys, welcome to the ADAC channel. Firstly, congratulations to all those who cleared RRB and TPC CBT Tier 1 successfully. And I like to make a note, this video is not for the one who are in a thorough preparation with SSC CGL or who are in thorough preparation with NTPC. This is for the one who are feeling we have very short time to complete the syllabus or who feel that we are unfortunately qualified and we have to do good for the mains exam in the type CBT2. Okay, now we can go to discuss what's the exam pattern. It consists of mathematics, topic mathematics for 35 marks, which institute 35 questions, and general intelligence and reasoning, which also for 35 marks, consist of 35 questions. General awareness, which is for 50 marks, consists of 50 questions. The exam duration is 90 minutes, which means 1.5 hours. Yes, coming to the general awareness, which is very important topic. Many people go on digging this topic, okay? They go on thoroughly with the general awareness. Actually, that much is not needed for this exam. You please concentrate on the important topics, okay? For those who feel we have very short time, firstly we are seeing current affairs. Current affairs is the most important topic, okay? Because you are expected to have nearly 5 to 8 questions easily, okay? Those who feel that we have very less time, you go on up to 6 months is enough. Who are in thorough preparation, you go maximum up to 1 year. More than 1 year is also it's not much suitable for your preparation. It might make you some more burden. Okay, as you see, current events of national and international games and sports, or famous persons and personalities, and important government and public, and all these aspects you please concentrate. Okay, you can easily expect known questions, 4 to 5 questions out of 8. Okay, and going to the static part, you all know it's the consistent part for every exams. Okay, so you read well it, parks or wildlife sanctuaries or different types of airports or famous personalities, locations, important places, organizations and their establishments. Okay, in this category also we can expect 8 questions from it. Okay, comparing these two, you can, from the current affairs and static part, you can expect 15 out of 30 marks here itself only. And going to the biology, many people do with the biologists, they go on reading each and every topic, but it's not necessary, because NTPC or SSC is mainly concentrating in biology concept. They're mainly concentrating on human related aspects, means human body and their culture and the different types of aspects or organs. Okay, you concentrate on that and deal with the cell biology with constitute with the human related, okay, red blood cells or white blood cells. And don't go with this plant and animal kingdom if you are a beginner, or you feel you don't have much time, because these technologies are very difficult to remember. Okay, you need many practice and many times revision to have by heart all those topics, this about related to plants and animal kingdoms. And coming to the chemistry, and it's you have physical, inorganic and organic. Actually organic part is somewhat difficult. Okay, it's not necessary and it's not recommendable to read now. And physics, you have theoretical and analytical, and these two topics are your wish, but I suggest it's not much better to concentrate on these two topics, because these two topics have a very wide vision for giving questions. Okay, it's better you leave it, or if you want to read it, you please concentrate on loose ends. Okay, it's more than enough, and other than this is also somewhat burden only. And coming to the computer, as you all are using in everyday use, or you are writing online test. Okay, you might have somewhat knowledge, current knowledge on it, so you don't neglect computer. You are expected to have 3 to 5 bits from this topic. And coming to the geography, you see, this world geography is a vast syllabus. Okay, you thoroughly concentrate on Indian geography. You can have nearly two bits on geography. This is the types of rivers and their flow from east to west, or boundaries or biggest states, or the demographics about the states or the coastal areas. Okay, you concentrate on Indian geography. It's better you might leave whole geography, because it's vast, and there is also much more vision to go deep in it for asking question. Okay, I suggest all of you, if you are having really less time, go with blindly with loose and general knowledge. Okay, for polity, especially for polity, it's been sidelined, it's been slightly detailed and sidelined, but it's enough for polity. Or if any of them for physics or chemistry, or it's enough. Okay, in this short period of time, it's enough to you. And coming to next topic is mathematics. Okay, mathematics, yeah, it's important topic to score. Many of you are thorough with DA presentation. For banking people or SSC people, I think it's a 5 marks in your pocket. So daily practice a DA in your test series. And simplifications, we all know. Okay, simplifications also you can do good with good and better net. And number systems, it's also having a last two exams, we are having a good weightage from this number systems. So I request you to please concentrate on number systems. And all those are quantitative aptitude parts, this time and work ratios. And you can, if you are thorough with the formulas, you better go with mensuration. It's also giving a good score in your exams. It's also having good way 2 to 4 bits. And you can see time, speed and distance. Not then time, speed and distance, you can go with a simple interest and compound interest. And heights and distance is also a good topic. you can have a blank check of marks if you are thorough in this. And if you have more time, and if you have good time to go with the topics thoroughly, you go on with the remaining topics, or time, speed and distance, or profit and loss. Okay, you also can do somewhat better with profit and loss. I suggest this topic also. If you have much more time, go with the other topics. And averages. Okay, averages, actually we are not found out question in the last few exams. Okay, you better, if you have concept about it, you also revise it. Okay, the best sources are concept of Agarwal is the standard source for concept for this quantitative aptitude, and S. Chand publications, all papers, and Kiran Prakash. As you go through these papers, you will be introduced to much more variety of bits. Okay, so it's better to write good test series every day. You write 2 test series in quantitative aptitude session. And next, going to the RRB, general intelligence and reasoning. Actually, the general intelligence and reasoning, actually it's very somewhat difficult to analyze which part is having more weightage. So I think apart from few topics, you are aware of all those topics. So my suggestion is go with the advanced book which have a wide range of reasoning questions, because if you have the basics, you can go through with the basic, you can go through with the questions. Okay, nowadays reasoning has been having somewhat different step when compared to the concept. So I suggest you go with the very wide variety of question which is useful to get more and more practices. Okay, so in reasoning, I suggest you to get these 2 books. I find it most useful: Arihant test series for reasoning and Adda 247 test series. Okay, these test series I find it very good. I found it very good. This will be helpful because these are somewhat advanced category questions in this reasoning. It will be very helpful to you. Okay, so guys, if you feel this is helpful, please like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.